say, guy, mind your business, oh. Get one I beg me, she not kill herself yesterday night. Now this morning, the girl, they beg me for 200K. I wish I mind my business now. No, don't. Baba, and I know say some people don't they plan their 2025. My 2025 will be like this, Baba. Me don't leave my home for God.
I swear.
I know as I take plan this year, nothing work. I was so intentional about this year, so they say I cross over from 2 church. My first church, my pastor tell me say this year na my year of financial breakthrough, anoint me. I run to our neighboring church, that one say na my year of power pass power, you anoint me. 11 months, nothing happen. I me go meet my pastor last week, I say, yeah, don't they go finance, I no see not to talk of breakthrough. He said, na me cause am na why I go the other church, whether I no know say their power pass our power. But let's go as well. Pressure